Reverend Dr. Ken Gordon, spiritual leader for Centers for Spiritual Living, coming to you with our May series on the themes that we're using this year. The theme that we're using this month for May is spiritual laws and how to use them. And this particular topic is presented to us by Reverend Sue Crane from Honolulu, Hawaii, from the One Spirit Center for Spiritual Living. Her title or her topic is Direct Contact with the Infinite. You know, we're all in contact with the infinite all the time. Whether we realize it or not, it lies beneath everything we do, everything we say, everything we see, everything we experience. We're never separate from our own good. The only thing that allows us to be able to live a life that is unlike that is our own mind and the ability and the way that we have to be able to put before us something as a priority over top of the priority of our own spiritual goodness and greatness. Dr. Holmes, in Living the Science of Mind, says, we all have access to the parent mind, but we do not all use this direct access because we're so used to judging from external facts. It is difficult for us to get away from the apparent long enough to judge the real. Joel Goldsmith says in The New Healing, spiritual healing is the result of the direct contact of an individual with the center of his or her consciousness. When we touch this place within our own being, healing naturally follows. If someone has asked for help, that one receives the healing. No words, treatment, arguments, affirmations, or denials are necessary in the spiritual healing. The only requirement is that we become still, that we silence the outer senses and go deep within our being until we feel ourselves at the center of consciousness. Then contact is made and a feeling within us becomes evident, and we know that the healing has been accomplished. One of the great gifts that is given to us is this ability to be able to go within ourselves and find that power. It is the secret to all spirituality throughout the ages. Change comes from within. And our ability to do that and our ability to have that contact with the infinite within ourselves is what motivates and inspires all. The truth is that when we are actually authentic to our own self and grounded in our own connection with the universe, then healing automatically takes place. God bless you. Have a wonderful week. And please know that you're loved. Thank you.